Okay, so we've got the Alistec SC250. This is a nice piece of walnut. Looks okay, but what have we here? The rest of the trunk's fine, but here we can see we've got a piece of metal. So I'm going to show you how you can work around that and still salvage the planks without having to sort of dig into the tree. So first up, as you can see, what I've done here is just mark out where the metal is. Just double check that it's not on the surface, but this one is inside the tree somewhere.
Yeah.
Quit my job this morning, said forever I would hold my head up high. Cause I need metal in my life, just like an eagle needs to fly. So I walked outside into the street. From a hole I heard thunder and screams. I walked inside so I could hear, and the guy beside me gave me a beer. He had his fist up in the air and called me brother, said my friends are over there. They're the truest of the true. And in that very moment I was born again like you. They said, hold your head up high.
You can see we haven't got a reading there anymore. But in here we have. So we haven't wrecked the tree, we've still got a plank out of it. Yet that metal is now we can carry on milling, and we know we've got rid of that without having to cut right into the tree and damage chainsaws and other equipment. Alistec SC250. Get one.